Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today, I decided to film a plan with me video. This is my first time trying this format, and I'm really excited to give it a shot. I love placing my goals on the monthly tab of my digital planner so I can see them regularly. For my January goals, I'll look back at the ones I wrote in my motivational and yearly plans. For example, I wanted to spend more quality time with my family. I also want to work out daily and eat healthier. Recently, I've been paying more attention to my health. In my monthly planner, I write down one main task for each day to steadily move closer to achieving my yearly goals. This approach helps me stay focused and not lose sight of what's most important. I break down my goals in more detail on the Day tab. For example, every Monday, I plan healthy meals for my family for the entire week. To make this easier, I use the lasso tool. It lets me copy this recurring task and paste it into other days where it's needed. For my yoga sessions, I follow the same process. I write the task once and then copy and paste it into the necessary days using the lasso tool. This saves a lot of time and makes planning much more convenient. One of my favorite ways to organize goals and tasks is by using stickers. They help highlight important points and add visual structure to my planner pages. For example, for the goal Weekly Family Walk, I choose a sticker with a fitting image to associate it with enjoyable outdoor time. I use bright stickers to mark deadlines, like completing a project or an important meeting. And when I want to add a touch of inspiration, I pick motivational stickers with positive messages. This not only makes planning more fun, but it also helps me stay organized and focused on my priorities. That's it. Quick and easy. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can find the link to the digital planner app in the description below, along with a link to my video, My Digital Planner Setup for 2025. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and hit the bell icon to get notified about new videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.